Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kensthetic with the Kensthetics, and I'm here with you guys today with a new video. So today's video is going to be a wash day routine. I just recently took my knotless box braids out, as I showed you guys in my previous vlog. But girl, today we have to wash the hair, okay? My hair is so dirty. It just needs all of the TLC, and I selected some products in my stash today that I'm hoping will give me a nice moisturized wash day, because we need to lock in that moisture, okay? So before we get started with today's video, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel, hit that red subscribe button down below. We're on the road to 7K, and I want all of you guys to join me. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and drop a comment down below with your thoughts, with your comments, with your opinions, or anything else that may be on your mind after you watch this video. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. So I'm starting off on my hair, looking crazy, but I detangle my hair using an apple cider vinegar and water rinse, because you know when you take your braids out and you have that gunk at the root of the braid, that needed to go, especially when you keep your braids in for a longer period of time. Y'all know what I'm talking about. So I put apple cider vinegar and water in a spray bottle, sprayed it on my hair, and that made detangling my hair so much easier. And I also lost less hair during the detangling process. And you guys know I did my little pre-poo treatment before my wash day, so I like to put aloe vera gel in my hair before I go in for a wash day, specifically after I take out a protective style. If you guys didn't see my video about how I revived my curls after removing a protective style from my hair, I'll go ahead and link that video above. But that's basically what I had in my hair, and I wanted to start off by rinsing all of that out. The apple cider vinegar had to go, the aloe gel had to go, and my hair felt pretty moisturized already from that pre-poo treatment, so I was really excited about that. So after I rinsed that out of my hair, I went ahead and detangled one section at a time with my Felicia Leatherwood brush. I just like to separate it into sections just so that we know what we're doing, okay? So I started off using my Derma Restoring Conditioner. This is their conditioner with lemongrass and vitamin E. And I really love the packaging of this product. And the conditioner is super creamy. But let me tell y'all what happened. So when I was doing this wash day, I was extremely tired. Your girl needed a nap, okay? So I meant to shampoo at first, but I went in with the conditioner, and I noticed after, like, girl, what is you doing? Like, did you forget how to wash your hair? Like, what's tea? So once I realized that I put conditioner in my hair first, I was just like, we're gonna go ahead and rock with this and see what's tea, because I never tried this before, to put conditioner in my hair before I cleanse it. So I went ahead and I just applied that conditioner into each one of the quads. This conditioner is super creamy, and it did give my hair like a nice post treatment before I actually went in and cleansed my hair. But I was really happy I did this, because my hair was very dry and my hair needed all of the moisturization that it could get. So I went ahead and applied the conditioner into each quad. My hair also felt so soft. This was like the best quote-unquote mistake that I've made. So I'm gonna go ahead and rinse that conditioner out of my hair. And I just wanted to talk to you guys real quick. So the conditioner that I use, as I mentioned, it is formulated with lemongrass and vitamin E. So I wanted to go through the benefits of each one on our hair. So vitamin E helps to support a healthy scalp. Poor scalp health is linked to lackluster hair quality, okay? Vitamin E supports the scalp and gives our hair a strong base to grow from by reducing oxidative stress and preserving the protective lipid layer. So we may know vitamin E for our skin, to help get rid of dark spots, but vitamin E is also an important ingredient for hair products as well. And we know that healthy hair stems from a healthy scalp, so we want to make sure our scalp is nice and healthy. Okay, so I rinsed that conditioner out of my hair, and then I went in with the Derma Restoring Shampoo. This is also lemongrass and vitamin E. The consistency of this shampoo was very silky and nice and soft. So I went ahead and split my hair in half so that I can go ahead and work that shampoo in. I started working it in my scalp, and then I went ahead and spread the product to the strands of my hair. I had a lot of product built up in my scalp, so I really wanted to focus on my scalp to make sure I got rid of all of that gunk. But the shampoo and conditioner smell amazing. It is kind of heavy on a lemongrass scent, so I did want to mention that in case you're someone who's not too fond of the scent, or you're someone who doesn't like strong scents in your hair care products. But this shampoo is just like the conditioner, is formulated with lemongrass. So lemongrass has a lot of benefits for our hair, including strengthening our hair follicles, adding shine, relieving our scalp of irritation and itchiness, and reducing dandruff. So I usually use my Alakay Naturals lemongrass leave-in conditioner. You guys, that leave-in conditioner is okay. That's the only other product that I used with the lemongrass, and I really love the effects that it had on my hair. So I was super excited when I decided to use these products in my stash today, because I was just like, they're gonna smell good and they're gonna do my hair good. Okay, so I went ahead and rinsed the shampoo out, and as I was rinsing it out, you guys know I have 2 rules for shampoos. I want them to cleanse my hair while they're not stripping my hair of its natural nutrients, and it did exactly that. My hair was nice and soft. After I rinsed the shampoo out, my hair wasn't like dry, it didn't feel stripped, and also my hair was nice and moisturized. I don't know if it was solely because of the shampoo or because of me conditioning before doing the shampoo, but my hair felt and looked so amazing. So after I rinsed that shampoo out of my hair, I went back in with the Derma Restoring Conditioner, lemongrass, and vitamin E, and I did my conditioning step. So even though I messed up at the beginning, I was like, we're gonna get back on track from here on out. Okay, so I went ahead and just applied the conditioner throughout my whole head. I also wanted to mention that this is my first time using Derma products on my hair. To give you guys a little background on these products have no parabens, no sulfates, no mineral oils, no artificial colors, no artificial fragrances, no petroleum, no phthalates, and no formaldehydes. I'll put those names on the screen because I'm sure I butchered them. But Derma is focused on clean hair care products, also clean skincare products, but I only ever use their hair care in this video, and I really like that, because I am becoming more cautious of what I put on my skin, what I put on my body, what I put in my body. So this was just a step in the right direction of practicing just more of a cleaner lifestyle. So this is my hair after I applied the conditioner. It's nice and soft, it's nice and moisturized, it felt amazing. So I went ahead and did my shower routine, and then came back and rinsed the conditioner out of my hair. As I was rinsing it out, my hair was so soft. Like, I was honestly impressed with the softness of my hair. I also wanted to mention that as I rinsed the products out, the smell kind of like went away. It's not like the lemongrass scent was so strong that it lingered on my hair. So I did want to mention that, but my hair looked and felt so good. Okay, so then I went ahead and applied my deep conditioner. So today I wanted to go back to my OG, my Camille Rose Naturals Oud Rich Infusion Deep Conditioner. Y'all know I used to rock with this deep conditioner. I still do, but it's just a minute. It's been a minute since I picked it up from my stash. So I went ahead and applied that deep conditioner throughout my hair. So this deep conditioner is formulated with ingredients to help with dry, rough, and lifeless strands, and nourished with the richness of olive, jojoba, and white tea, which helps to improve softness, shine, and manageability. This deep conditioner is very much so focused on moisture, and it is an exotic blend for dry, lifeless, and tangled hair. I just felt like my hair needed a lot of moisture, so I wanted to make sure that I used a deep conditioner that I know was gonna go ahead and get my hair all the way together. Okay, so after applying the deep conditioner, I went in with my Felicia Leatherwood brush and detangled my hair from ends to roots. As you guys may or may not know, I like to detangle my hair while I have my deep conditioner in, because I feel like that helps make sure that the product is sufficiently spread throughout my hair strands. So I just went in with this brush and detangle from ends to roots. Y'all know I love my Felicia Leatherwood brush. This does a good job detangling my hair without like breaking too much of my hair, since the brush does flex and bends. I'll link it down below. It's available in my Amazon store too. So after I detangled my hair, I went ahead and applied more deep conditioner. I was low-key almost done with this one, so I was like, let me go ahead and add more. Anyways, I need all of the moisturization I can get, okay? So with today's deep conditioner, I did step out of the shower and apply heat to my hair while I had the deep conditioner in. It helps to lift our hair cuticles, which allows all of the good stuff from our deep conditioners to be absorbed within the hair strands. In general, I feel like I get the most out of my deep conditioners when I apply it, detangle my hair while I have it in so it can spread the products, and then apply heat to it. So that's exactly what I did because I needed all of the moisture. So I left it in my hair for 30 minutes and then I came back to rinse it out. And as I was rinsing it out, my hair was nice and soft and moisturized, and it just looked and felt so amazing. Like when I tell y'all that applying heat to your deep conditioner applies that extra zhuzh, it applies that extra zhuzh, okay? I've been low-key being lazy and I haven't really been applying heat to my deep conditioner, as you guys have seen from my most recent wash day videos. But from here on out, girl, I'm gonna be applying that heat, because once I see how moist my hair is after applying it, I remember, like, girl, you need to stop being lazy. You need to get out the shower, apply that heat, and then come back and rinse it out, period. So that's what I'm gonna do from here on out. I do plan on wearing a few more protective styles before committing to this 100% of the time natural hair lifestyle. Y'all know I love my natural hair, but when it's hot outside, girl, I just can't do it. I can't. So I rinsed that deep conditioner out and my hair looked, felt, and also smelled so amazing. So after that, I went in with my Tgin leave-in conditioner. You guys, this hair milk is amazing. Like, it makes my hair so soft. It smells so good. It smells like honey and vacation. Okay, that's what it smells like. So I applied that in the shower. You guys know I love applying my leave-in conditioners while I'm in the shower to help lock in more moisture before styling my hair. But this is basically my wash day routine. It was so moisturizing. Even though I made that little hiccup at the beginning, my hair still came out nice and moisturized and nice and shiny, nice and soft. So I absolutely loved it. All of these products will be linked down below, so make sure you guys check out the description box to see where you guys can purchase these products. But I would highly recommend all of the products used in today's video. Make sure you guys subscribe, give this video a big thumbs up, and drop a comment down below, and I'll see you guys on Friday. Mwah.